Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog, and right now we are currently here in NAIA Terminal 3 and nalapit tayo sa Gate 113. Our travel for today is going to Bangkok, Thailand. It's going to be my first time going there sa Bangkok. This is going to be another Christmas trip with the Kokin family. Parang delayed yata yung flight namin. So, from 11:45 p.m. na lipad, mamamove siya ng an hour. So, siguro yung boarding namin 11:45 p.m. pa. So, time check na lang muna tayo. It's already 11:02 p.m. Christmas rush na naman. So, parang the whole year, hindi ako nakapag-travel internationally. So, ang napuntahan lang natin this year was Davao, Baguio, and yung mga malalapit lang within the Philippines. So, domestic flight lang din yung na-take natin. Ngayon, may pahabol tayo na trip. Masaya ako kasi akala ko hindi ako makakapag-international travel this year. So, this vlog is going to be about the travel requirements going to Bangkok, Thailand. If you are a Filipino who's going to Bangkok, Thailand, this is for you. Especially kung first-time traveler ka, like me, ito yung mga prepare ko for this trip. Bangkok, Thailand is known as the Land of Smiles, and Thailand is 1 hour behind the Philippines. Una-una sa lahat, of course, you have to have your valid passport. And aside from that, meron tayong travel tax na 1,620, which is actually fixed. And then, of course, you have to have your e-travel QR code. So, ilalagay ko na lang siya dito. So, yung ganyan nyo, kahit saang country kayo pumunta, basta lalabas at papasok kayo ng Philippines, kailangan nyong mag-sign yan. Of course, you have to have your boarding pass with you all the time. And then, of course, Thailand, it is a visa-free country for Filipinos. You can stay there up to, I think, 30 to 60 days. Pero sa alam ko, 30 days lang talaga. Yung 60 days naman parang kailangan mo na kausapin yata yung immigration if you're going to extend up to 60 days. Pero correct me if I'm wrong na lang. But I know, sure yung 30 days. Then next one, of course, we have yung mandatory na TDAC na tinatawag nila or yung Thailand Digital Arrival Card. So yung Thailand Digital Arrival Card, pwede nyo na siyang signan ngayon or syempre pagdating nyo mismo doon. Pero habang may internet ka pa siguro sa Pinas, pwede mo na rin siyang gawin dito even before you go to Bangkok. Mandatory siya, so it has to be filled up. So next one, the weather in Thailand is the same as the Philippines naman, as you all know. Etong luggage ko pala, eto na yun. Ito na yung dala ko for the whole trip. Pero ewan ko lang kung magpapalagay na lang ako sa kanila pagka meron ako mga pinamili. Pagka a week siguro you will have to have a checked-in baggage na or luggage. Pero now, kaya naman siya sa hand carry lang. Nung kanina pala sa immigration, tinanong lang ako kung ano yung work ko. And then tinanong lang din kung sino yung mga kasama, saan kayo magsistay. It's nice pa rin talaga that you know yung hotel or accommodation na pagsistayan nyo, how many days you're going to be staying, and then kung kailan yung alis at yung balik. Kailangan prepared kayo para hindi naman kayo mag-stutter doon at baka ma-offload pa tayo, diba? So, you have to be prepared. Wag lang yung parang siguro OA na pagpe-present na parang printed lahat kasi parang mas suspicious kasi sa kanila kapag lahat printed. Kasi parang mas madalas na offload yung mga nasa immigration kapag masyado kang maraming papel. And then for the transportation, meron tayong BTS, SkyTrain, and MRT subway na well-connected daw yung stations. Recommended din na kapag ka-tourist ka, bumili daw nung rabbit card or yung one-day pass via Klook. We also have yung Grab, Bolt, and InDrive. And I think pwede rin gamitin talaga yung Grab app natin dito na parang yung ginagamit natin sa Philippines, pwede rin siya magamit sa Thailand. Pero ang parang pinaka-commonly used talaga doon dahil heavy rin daw ang traffic doon, Grab bike. So yung Angkas, Move It, doon may Grab bike sila. Actually yung Grab bike meron talaga neto even before pa. Parang nung college ako or like high school ako may Grab bike na talaga. Pero apparently parang pinalitan lang siya or naging Angkas. I'm not sure lang or baka Move It. For the must-try local foods naman, we have pad thai, pad krapao, tom yum, roti natella, mango sticky rice, and Thai milk tea. And then if you want naman ng affordable shopping na experience, kasi we know naman that Bangkok, Thailand is known for their mga tiangge or mga damit nila. Pwede tayong pumunta sa Prato na Market, Platinum Fashion Mall, December's Chatuchak Weekend Market, Big C Supermarket naman for the pasalubong, and then if skincare, meron din daw sila dong tofu skincare. And then for luxury shopping, syempre we have Icon Siam, and then Central World and Terminal 21. And syempre, for me pag pumunta ka ng Thailand, nakapunta ka ba talaga ng Thailand pag hindi ka nag-temple? So speaking of temple, we have Wat Arun, Wat Pho, Grand Palace, and Ancient City. And then syempre pro tip lang is we have to use our Google Maps. Hi! Hello! So yun lang guys, masyado na ako maraming niyayap dito. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. We are currently waiting for our order dito sa Potato Corner, and as you can see, sobrang daming tao. Sabi sa amin kanina, 40 minutes daw yung waiting time. Thank you! Hey, finally we got the fries and chicken. After 45 minutes, I think. Current obsession ko ngayon ay buko na milky. Hi guys! So, nakaboard na tayo ng plane and ang saya lang kasi itong seat na napunta sa amin ni Chan, pang dalawahan lang siya. So, for reference, ayan parang dala-dalawa lang kada row dito. Hi sa tattoo ni Chan. Hi tita! Hi lola! Tapos andun lang din sila Chin, tsaka si Tito Gerald at si Bon sa likod. Touchdown sa Warnabumi. Ay, ang ganda! So fresh! Freshness check! Cheers! Pagkababa nyo mismo ng airport, makikita nyo na agad tong bilihan ng SIM card tsaka money exchange. So, ito yung rates. Kinuha natin is yung good for 5 days lang kasi parang 4 days pero 3 full days lang para mag-explore kasi yung 4th day namin, papalit na kami agad ng Pinas. So, 399 baht siya. Ito yung tdac.immigration.go.th yung arrival card. Tapos bale, isa-isa siya. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. You have to look for yung legit kasi meron parang confusion sa ibang links. Ilalagay ko na lang din dito sa ilalim kung ano yung tamang link na i-click nyo. Pwede nyo rin i-scan na lang tong QR code dito. So, nag-fill up kami now. Welcome to the land of smiles! I think I'll end this vlog here. See you guys on my next vlog.